What if one of the greatest discoveries in human history had already been made, only to be ignored? What if proof of extraterrestrial life had been sitting in front of us for decades, dismissed and forgotten? Back in 1976, NASA scientist Gilbert V. Levin believed he had uncovered the answer to the billion-dollar question, is there life on Mars? His experiment during the Viking mission returned a shocking result, one that could change everything we know about the universe. But instead of celebration, Levin's findings were met with skepticism, doubt, and outright rejection. For over 40 years, he fought to prove his case, only for new discoveries in 2018 to suggest he might have been right all along. Could NASA have been ignoring evidence of life on Mars? Or is there a reason they're keeping it under wraps? Stay with us to uncover the truth. But before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Do you believe we've already found life beyond Earth? In the vast expanse of our solar system, Mars has always held a special allure. In 1976, the Viking mission took a giant leap. Viking 1 and 2 touched down on Mars. Their mission? To search for signs of life. Dr. Gilbert V. Levin designed the labeled release experiment. It aimed to detect microorganisms in Martian soil. Nutrient solution tagged with radioactive carbon was added. If microbes were present, radioactive carbon dioxide would be released. Are we alone in the universe? The data started trickling in from millions of miles away. The LR experiment, much to Levin's astonishment, yielded positive results. At both landing sites, Viking 1 and Viking 2 reported a steady stream of radioactive carbon dioxide. This indicated that something was metabolizing the nutrients and releasing the telltale gas. Could this be the evidence of life we had been searching for? Levin was cautious, but optimistic. The results were consistent with what one might expect from microbial life. He ran control experiments to rule out other possibilities. These control experiments further supported the idea that the results were biological, not just strange Martian chemistry. The LR experiment had seemingly hit pay dirt. The scientific community was abuzz. Could it be true? Had we found evidence of life on another planet? The implications were staggering. If life could arise independently on Mars, it would suggest that life is not a fluke, but rather a fundamental force in the universe. Despite the excitement, NASA remained skeptical. They argued that the LR results could be explained by non-biological processes. Perhaps, they posited, there were unknown chemical reactions taking place in the Martian soil that mimicked the signs of life. They pointed to the absence of organic molecules, the building blocks of life as we know it, as evidence against Levin's claims. NASA's skepticism, while understandable, was a bitter pill for Levin to swallow. He had conducted rigorous controls and stood by his findings. The lack of detected organic molecules, he argued, could be due to the harsh Martian environment, which might break them down faster than they could be detected. His pleas fell on deaf ears. The official stance from NASA was that the LR experiment had not found definitive proof of life. Levin's findings were relegated to the realm of speculation. The dream of finding life on Mars seemed to slip away, but Levin wasn't done yet. He would spend the next 4 decades defending his work and seeking recognition for what he believed was one of the most significant discoveries in human history. Gilbert V. Levin never gave up on his quest to uncover the truth about life on Mars. Despite skepticism and criticism from the scientific community, he remained steadfast. Levin believed that the Viking-labeled release experiment had indeed detected microbial life. His relentless pursuit of evidence and his unwavering dedication to the scientific method kept the debate alive for decades. Levin's passion for discovery and his commitment to the pursuit of knowledge are truly inspiring. Over the years, new evidence has emerged that continues to yield life on Mars. From methane detections in the Martian atmosphere to intriguing faint over the possibility of life on Mars remains a hot topic. Levin's original find. Many scientists are examining the data with fresh eyes. The debate is fun. Each new discovery adds another layer of complexity to the ongoing mystery. The future of life detection on Mars looks promising, with new missions and advanced technology on the horizon. Upcoming missions, like the Mars Sample Return and the ExoMars rover, aim to dig deeper into the Martian surface and bring back samples for analysis. These missions hold the potential to provide definitive answers to the questions that Levin and many others have long sought to answer. As we look to the future, the quest to uncover the secrets of life on Mars continues, driven by the same curiosity and determination that fueled Gilbert V. Levin's groundbreaking work.